We will see purchase requisition creation modes, purchase requisition processing status, and creation indicator. 4 and 5 we will see in the next video. That is purchase requisition account assignment, purchase requisition features. Okay, we'll go to SAP Easy Access. How will create a purchase requisition? The purchase requisition can be created manually using transaction code ME51N. That is called direct purchase requisition. Indirect means the purchase requisition is initiated automatically from another SAP component. Suppose we are working with materials requirement planning in SAP MM, that is consumption based planning. If you run MRP, system will generate purchase requisition. Those purchase requisitions are called indirect purchase requisition. Through plant maintenance orders. Through plant maintenance orders, you can trigger a purchase requisition. Through production order also, you can trigger a purchase requisition. Through networks, SAP product systems networks, you can trigger a purchase requisition. What we'll see? We'll go and create purchase requisition manually. What is the transaction code? ME51N. You can use the transaction code ME51N in the command field, or you can use materials management, purchasing, purchase requisition, ME51N. The screen areas for purchase requisition are header, item overview, item details. Okay, you have to select the purchase requisition document type when you are creating the purchase requisition, and you have document overview. You can configure document overview. This configuration of document overview I've explained in the purchase order video. Okay, there you can see that how to configure the document overview. Can you see personal setting? Personal settings also you can use it. That also I have explained earlier. Okay, refer to my video of purchase order. Okay, now let me enter material. M100 is a material. Press enter. Quantity 100. Quantity 100. If you see valuation tab, can you see valuation price did not come? You have to enter the plant PL01. The moment you enter 8.20, this is defaulted from the purchasing info record. It will be defaulted from the purchasing info record. Okay, I'm absolutely sorry. It is defaulted from the material master. Okay, price in the valuation price in the purchase requisition is defaulted from the materials master. What is the present price? It is 8.20 euros. Okay, that is defaulted. Okay, now after that you have two tabs. One is status. Status means whether the purchase requisition is edited, saved, follow-on documents is created or not. We can see that. I'll show you. Contact person, who is created, real-time manual, and username also it is displayed. Okay, what we'll do, let me check the purchase requisition. If there are any errors, no errors means we can save it. Can you see? No message issued during check. So now we'll save this purchase requisition. So this 004 is created. Now let us see the purchase requisition. If you go and see status, this purchase requisition is not yet edited. What the buyer can do, he can convert this purchase requisition into, this purchase requisition is is a user department. Any user department can create the purchase requisition. There is a requirement for M100 material. Okay, M100 material. Okay, one material, and they have created the purchase requisition. Contact person, who has created this real-time manual, and username is there. Okay, so and also remember that purchase requisition is a purely internal document. This purchase requisition is handled by the buyers of the purchasing organization. Purchase requisition will not coordinate with the suppliers. It is purely an internal document. What buyers can do, they can refer to this purchase requisition and they can convert into RFQ/quotation, and they can convert into contract or scheduling agreement, or they can create, if supplier is known, they can create a purchase order. Okay, what next we have? status and contact person I explained you. Let me go to purchase requisition. Okay, let us convert this purchase requisition into purchase order. What we'll do, we'll go to purchase order, create purchase order. Okay, and document overview on. Here you have to click my purchase requisition, then it will display the purchase requisitions created by me. Let me open the document overview. Can you see my purchase requisition? If I put my purchase requisitions, it will display the purchase requisitions created by you, my user ID. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll select this and we adapt into purchase order line item. In the item overview, it will copy. Okay, now document overview you can switch off, and here you go to header data. You have to specify the supplier 110000, press enter, and purchase requisition, purchasing organization PUR1, enter. If you see, can delivery date met? Yes, is fine, and the price is copied. In purchase requisition, price is defaulted from material master. Okay, and in purchase order, the price is defaulted from the. If you look at the purchase requisition, what is the valuation price? 8.20 euro, correct? But if you look at the purchase order, what is the price? What is the net price? 7.2. This came from info record. If you look at the info record, scroll to the right. This is info record, and we are referring this purchase requisition. Double click the info record. Click on the conditions. If you look at the conditions, what are the conditions for the vendor and material? If his supplier is this 110000 and material is M100 and procured through purchasing organization for plant PL01, the conditions of purchase are gross price is 8 euros, discount on net is 10%, freight for quantity is 1 euro per piece per each. Okay, then it is defaulted in the purchase order. Still you can change it. If you go to conditions tab, you can see the conditions. These are defaulted from the purchasing info record, not from the material master or not from the purchase requisition. When you refer to the purchase requisition and create a purchase order like this, it will not copy the valuation price to purchase order if the material line item is with material master. Now what we'll do, we will save this purchase order. Once you save the purchase order, let us open this. Open the purchase order. From here itself, we can branch to purchase requisition. How we can branch? Scroll to the right. This is the purchase requisition. Double click here. You can see valuation price is already there. Status, it is converted into purchase order. Just now we converted into purchase order, right? The purchase order number. What is the purchase order number? 450043. From here also you can branch back to purchase order. And contact person. What is the contact person? Real-time manual. And S25 A56 created this. Apart from this, what I will show you purchase requisition created by plant maintenance order and MR material requirement planning. Okay, list displays, materials management, purchase requisition, list displays, and double click on ME5A, put the plant here and execute. Can you see this purchase requisition? What we can see, double click on this. If you go to here, automatic purchase requisition can be created from maintenance order. That I'll show you. From which maintenance order I have created. Can you see what is the status? Status is not yet edited. Contact person. Creation in contact person, you can see the creation indicator and created by. Creation indicator is production order. For plant maintenance order and production order, it will show F as the creation indicator. And created by is S25 A50, that is my user ID. If you go to account assignment, you can see the plant maintenance order. If you double click here, you can go to plant maintenance order. In the plant maintenance order, click on components, select the line item, select the line item, click on purchasing. Here you can see the same purchase requisition, which means that production order, this production order created this purchase requisition. This is indirect purchase requisition. There is another purchase requisition, another purchase requisition which is created by MRP, material requirement planning. I created a material M102 in plant PL01 and I ran MRP for this material. Then after running the MRP, it has created purchase requisition. What is the status? Status is not yet edited. Contact person is, what is the creation indicator? B, that is materials requirement planning. And who have created? MRP controller has created this purchase requisition. Like this, we have two types of creation modes. One is manual, another is indirect, that is automatic through materials requirement planning. It can be materials requirement planning, it can be it can be through plant maintenance order, it can be through production orders, it can be through project systems.